This is a whiteboard that has writing on it from a year ago. This is almost February 2026. The regular whiteboard liquid will not remove the marker, but if you have WD-40 on a paper towel or hand sanitizer onto the whiteboard or alcohol, but even then sometimes when you rub it doesn't come off. So the best thing to do is just to let it sit for about 30 seconds. Make sure I've got enough. Let it sit for about 30 seconds and soak in, and then rub it with a clean piece of towel. Also, you can take a fresh erase marker and go over the lettering, and that has liquid in the marker that will help you erase. But this is from 2025, February 16th. Today is January 21st, 2026. Yeah, you just have to let it soak for about between 30 and 60 seconds. That'll work.